Welcome to this tutorial on how to enforce user settings in Fusion Admin. In this video, you'll learn how to shorten setup time by utilizing user profiles to enforce user settings. User profiles allow administrators to push application settings to users in bulk for a consistent user experience. This prevents your users from having to configure their own settings through their individual Fusion applications. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and log into your Fusion admin account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the User Profile tab on the left. Here, you'll see a list of profiles that have already been created. At the top, you'll see the option to add user profile. Start by clicking this to create a new user profile. Go through the user settings and configure them exactly how you would like users to be set up in this profile. Once you're done, go to Preferences and scroll all the way to the bottom. Then select Send Settings. This will allow you to choose the user you want to send the settings to. Send the settings to yourself. Next, open and log in to Fusion Dispatch. Navigate to your Messages tab and open the message thread with yourself. Here you will see the user settings file that you created and sent to yourself. Click on it to download the file and save it to your computer. Now that you have the user settings file saved on your computer, go back to your admin portal and the Enforce User Settings. Under Upload File, browse your files and select the user settings file. The final step is to save the user profile and add users to the profile in bulk. This will mirror the settings from the profile across all devices that have been added. You now know how to enforce user settings in bulk from Fusion Admin. Thank you for following this tutorial.